Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akmal Fatah with NPM 25412065. Today I would like to presentation about business communication. First is definition of business communication. Communication is a process of exchanging information between individuals through an ordinary system, both with symbols, signals, or behavior or action. Hemstreet and Betty. Business communication is communication used in the business world that includes verbal and non-verbal communication. Joko Purwanto. Next, basic form of communication. First is verbal communication. Is one form of communication used in the business world to convey message to other parties, both in writing and verbally. Second is non-verbal communication. Is communication that is not written or oral, such as using body language, facial expressions, and company logos and colors. Next, the purpose of business communication. The following are the most important business communication objectives. Uh, First, providing information, delivering data, policies, or instructions so that all parties understand the business condition. Next, persuasion, convincing employees, partners, or customers to accept certain ideas, products, or policies. Next, collaboration, facilitating cooperation between teams or with external parties. Next, building relationship, establishing trust and loyalty with employees, customers, and business partners. Next, decision making, providing relevant information so that management can make the right decisions. And the last is improving efficiency and productivity, reducing miscommunication so that work is faster and more targeted. Next, next principle of business communication. This principle is the foundation for messages to be conveyed effectively. First is clarity. The message must be easy to understand, avoid excessive technical terms if the audience is not familiar. Next, consistent information is conveyed concisely, without unnecessary details to saving time. Next, courtesy. Respect the interlocutor, maintain ethics, and adjust to the organizational culture. Next, correctness. Information is accurate in accordance with facts and grammatically correct. Next, completeness. The message covers all important information so as not to cause confusion. Next, the last is consideration. Consider the recipient's point of view. For example, using a language style appropriate to the audience. This principle is often summarized as the seven C's of communication: clarity, conciseness, courtesy, correctness, completeness, consideration, concreteness. Okay, next challenge in business communication. Business communication is not always smooth. There are obstacles that often arise. First is cultural and language difference. For example, the Asian communication style, which tends to be indirect, versus the Western style, which is more straightforward. Next, technological barriers, network disruption, different platform, or lack of digital literacy. Next, message distortion. Information changes as it is passed on, possibly due to different interpretations or noise. Next, lack of communication skills. Employees who are technically skilled but unable to convey ideas clearly. Next, information overload. Too many emails, reports, or messages causing the core information to be missed. Next, psychological resistance. Recipients unwilling to accept message due to bias, prejudice, or conflicts of interest. Okay, next, how to improve communication skill. The way to improve it is by reading, listen, make the conversation interesting, conduct an interview, discuss with small groups, speeches and presentation, and the last is write letters, memos, and reports. Okay, conclusion. Effective business communication is the foundation of a company's success. It serves as a link between strategy and execution, between leadership and employees, as well as between the company and external parties. With good communication, an organization can achieve its goals more effici- efficiently, build trust, and maintain business sustainability. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.